Hello friends and welcome back to the Technical channel. So friends, today we will talk about AOC CQ27G4ZH, a 27-inch QHD 300Hz color gaming monitor. So friend, AOC has announced the launch of the new ultra-fast 27-inch QHD 300Hz color gaming monitor. It's designed for ultimate gaming experience, and this groundbreaking monitor combines blazing speed, vivid clarity, and ergonomic comfort, raising the bar for competitive gamers and impressive play. So friend, the monitor is featuring a 27-inch QHD resolution. The monitor provides 77% more pixels than Full HD, ensuring razor-sharp visual for every detail and move. And the HDI-ready panel offers breathtaking color and detail, impressive gamers in a world of vibrant, lifelike visuals with 1.7 billion colors gamers. So friend, the 5000R Curvo VA panel heightens impression, pulling players deeper into the action while reducing eye strain during extended gaming season. And the connectivity port including DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.1 into 2, and audio earphone output port for effortless integration with gaming setup. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.